Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll very quickly show you how to change your Firefox background wallpaper. So basically what this means, when you're in a new tab section, as you can see I am right now, where I see my basically home screen of the browser. So if you want this generic black, or should I say this is rather gray than black, color changed to something else, for example a different static color or a picture, for example, you can do this easily like this. Just press on this gear icon right here, and as you can see we now have here the section where we can choose the basically wallpapers and backgrounds. So you have three different basically categories here. You have solid colors, abstracts, and photographs, whatever you like. So for example, solid colors, just press on any, and as you can see the background changes automatically right away. You can choose abstract, for example. I like this one. This one's kind of cool. Yeah, looks kind of cool. And also, of course, the photographs. You can choose a fox, for example. Nice. You can choose this. Look at that. Northern lights. Some animals, but it's too bright for me, to be honest. I mean, it's up to you. This one is pretty great. Mountains. And that's basically how it's done. After that, you just go back and close. And now, as you can see, your homepage and your background in your browser has a different, more fancy look. Feel free to customize Chrome's background for yourself, and hopefully this tutorial helped. Like the video and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys.